Footage of my home gym before I start painting and trying to make it nice down here. I've already cleaned up a lot. As we can see, we have treadmill, squat rack, bench here, lat pull down, a lot of weights over there, and my recently purchased dumbbells. Still looking for a few more, but for the most part, this is everything I need. And a lot of writing and drawing on the wall from the home's previous owners. So I'm going to paint over all of that. It's going to be a TV. I have a rack for the weights I'm getting ready to put together, and also a whole bench power rack with the lat pull down attachment as well. So that's going to go, and I'm going to get rid of the old squat rack and the old lat pull down. So this should be a much nicer setup once it's done. As you can see, I kind of have things everywhere. I had to pull everything off of the wall. I basically started painting from this beam down all the way across to the beam here. Straight down. And as I stated before, the previous owner, they had drawings all over the wall, so I had to paint over that. And thankfully, it covered pretty easily. I used a brush to go along the bottom at the floor, and then everything else was just the roller, which is still right there. So with the painting done, we can move on to the next step, which is going to be jumping off of this light right here. And I'm going to run a power switch here for the treadmill. And then I'm going to run from the same light down this way. I'm going to run the switch on this wall for a TV and a stereo system. So we're making more progress. One of the things I did today that I'm most proud of is using this existing light right here. You'll see two wires coming off. I ran one down here to a plug, two outlets right here, and then the other one I ran through, across, and down, and I have two plugs right there, and they work perfectly. It's the first time I've ever done something like this. I'm very proud of it. And yeah, I'm happy with this. First time I've ever done this, and it works. So this is how far we are with the home gym right now. As you can see, I have my outlets ran. There's one there, and there's one there. That actually ran off of this light right here. So the treadmill's plugged in, and there's more outlets for whatever I need. And over here, the next thing I'm gonna do is hang a TV right here. So that's what I'm getting ready to do right now. But it's coming together pretty well. Paint turned out nicely. The plugs went in really smooth. And now we're gonna do the TV. And I finally put the weight bench and the rack together. And it took me about 4 hours to assemble this. It's a crazy amount of parts with this thing, and also the cable mechanism for the lat pull down and the cable row at the bottom. I mean, it was just a lot of parts, but it's all together and we're still making progress. All right, so I have the TV up. It went pretty easily. So it's one more thing done. Have our treadmill, the weight bench and rack is all put together. Ran the outlets, and now we have the TV. So the next thing I'm going to need to do is figure out exactly how I'm going to hang these mirrors and what else I'm going to do to kind of just make this space a little bit nicer. Here is the finished product. The home gym is finally done. We have the treadmill, the mirror, and the TV. See, I have a mirror behind the power rack, mirrors over here with another TV, stereo setup, dumbbells, got a rack for some plates right here. And I wanted to do at least one motivational poster. So we have Kobe here with the Mamba mentality, a constant quest to be the best version of oneself. That guy had crazy work ethic. But yeah, this is the gym, completely done. And I've been using this for about 6 weeks now. I've enjoyed it, everything's great. I may make some changes later on, but as of right now, this has everything that I need to get a good workout in. I did end up painting, because at first I only painted to here, but I ended up painting the wall all the way to the corner. So did more painting, just really got the basement tidied up. But yeah, this is the home gym, complete. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and leave a comment. God bless you all.